Hello, everyone. As you can see, we have something for the Oculus, and this time it is for the Oculus Quest 2. This is an accessory that I believe is pretty much going to be required if you're going to have any significant time with the Oculus Quest. What we have in front of us is the new Quest 2 Elite strap with battery and carrying case. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and unbox this guy. I'll go ahead and read real quick what it says at the top, which you can't see, it looks like on the video there. It says, "This ergonomic strap enhances comfort and support with a quick twist of the fit wheel. The built-in battery extends playtime, Quest 2 carrying case included." So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up. We're going to take a closer look to see how to actually install this. I know some people are a little weary when they first get this to see how to do it. My buddy at work actually showed me exactly how to do it, so I'm looking forward to doing this with you. So we'll go ahead and take off all the tags there, and we'll slide this guy off. And inside we've got the case. Should be the only thing inside there. Whoa, and that is the case, so that's good. All right. It's kind of an interesting case. Really interesting case. So that's the zipper there. And then inside there we've got, that's what it looks like inside, and basically the strap goes on there. So let's go ahead and see what it says here. It says, "Remove with care, follow quick start guide." Let's see if there's anything else here. All right, so here's the quick start guide. Basically, the first thing we're going to do is remove the facial insert interface. Then we're going to detach the soft strap. Then we're going to extend the Elite straps and then attach. So let's go ahead and let me get my Oculus. We'll take the case off the table here and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got our Oculus here. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to take this part off, and it's really just a snap. You're going to feel like you're breaking it, but you really aren't. And maybe we can get a better look here, but you see there's a line right there, and that's just where it's going to come apart from, and just like that. And then we're going to take the this piece off. And then we're going to go ahead and take the strap off. You're going to want to keep that as well. You never know when you're going to want to use that strap. I can tell you from my experience, the soft strap is going to be easier if you're going to be sharing it with other people, just because of the different sizes. All right, and yeah, so we're going to attach it first on the side straps, and then we're going to attach the top strap. Then we're going to insert the facial interface again, and then we're going to charge the strap battery. Cool. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. There we go. It snaps right into place. There we go. Nice and strapped in. And we're going to go from the underneath up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get the right angle with the camera here. There we go. And we're going to want to loosen this up a little bit here. And then this cable here is going to go right into here. And then to charge, what we're going to do is on the bottom here of this wheel, is the charging point now. So basically, once we put it on, we're going to turn this wheel and be good. All right, so before I do anything else, though, we're going to go ahead and put this guy back into place. All right, so there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. I'm going to tell you what I think of how it feels. But from what I've been told, it's much more balanced than what we currently have. So I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I took a closer look at the Elite strap with the battery. It fits great. Before with the other strap, the soft strap here, it always felt like flimsy, like it was going to come off. With this strap, it feels perfect. I mean, it feels like it's solid. It's not going to go anywhere. That being said, it is heavier, but it does kind of help balance it out. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well it works. I'll keep you guys updated if you're interested, but supposedly it's going to almost double the playtime with the Oculus Quest 2. So it's definitely going to be helpful for me. So what I also wanted to do is show you what it looks like. Basically everything in the case. The only thing I don't have is the charger there. Basically just fits right here, and that's where you can put your cable as well to charge. The controllers fit nicely in here, which is nice. And then, everything just fits. The case is interesting. It's a really weird texture. And even the handle here has a different kind of texture as well. It's not weird in a bad way. It's just different. It's kind of futuristic in a way, which I'm sure that's what Oculus was going for. I should say Facebook was going for. So yeah, if you're interested in finding out more about this, I'll leave a link down in the description. It'll be an affiliate link to Amazon if you're interested in purchasing it. And if you have any questions about the Oculus 2, the strap, or anything else, please feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps the channel. And speaking of the channel, if you are interested in anything a professional geek might find interesting, such as video games, the Oculus 2, Star Wars, or anything like that, I do invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.